In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start and join a Zoom call from Slack. In this guide, we'll explore how you can bring Zoom directly into your Slack workspace so you can launch and join meetings without switching between different apps. This makes communication faster, smoother, and more convenient for team collaboration. To begin, open Slack on your computer or through your web browser. The interface works the same in both versions, so you can follow along easily. Once Slack loads, sign in using your email address, or choose a quicker option by logging in with your Apple or Google account. After signing in, select the workspace where you want to use Zoom. This step is important because integrations apply only to the workspace you choose. Next, go to the Slack app directory, where you can discover and add useful tools. In the search field, type Zoom and look for the official Zoom integration. Once you locate it, open its page and follow the prompts to add it to Slack. You may be asked to grant permissions so Zoom can work properly inside your workspace. After completing the setup steps, you will see the Zoom app appear in your Slack apps section, confirming that the integration is active. Now, when you're ready to start a meeting, go to any channel or direct message and simply type Zoom in the message box. Then send it. Slack will automatically generate a Zoom meeting link that others in the conversation can join instantly. The first time you use this feature, you might be prompted to connect or authorize your Zoom account, which is a quick one-time process to ensure everything is linked correctly. With everything set up, you can now create and join meetings directly from Slack with ease, keeping your workflow organized and efficient in one place. Additionally, it helps to keep your Slack and Zoom applications updated to avoid any compatibility issues. If you manage multiple teams, double-check that you are in the correct workspace before starting a meeting, since each workspace may have separate integrations. Using keyboard shortcuts and Slack notifications can also help you respond faster when meeting links are shared, especially in fast-paced team environments smoothly. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.